Problem number 32. A scale drawing of a horse is shown below. That's the horse. I'm probably not helping you much at this point. What is the actual height of the horse in inches from the hoof to the top of the head? Well, they made a little scale for us. This distance right here is 8 inches. And then they measured this scale multiple times. So how many times are we going this distance? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the horse is 9 times this distance, which is 8 inches, which is equal to 72 inches. So that's how tall the horse is in reality, which is what? It's like 6 feet tall. 33. A shipping company has 25 offices that shipped 60,000 packages last week. The offices were open 6 days and used 80,000 kilowatt hours of electricity. Which pieces of information given above are necessary to find the average number of packages shipped per day last week? So let's think about it. They didn't ask us. They didn't. Well, they did. They're not asking us anything about the electricity, so we definitely don't need that information. And they're saying the average number of packages shipped per day last week. They're not saying per day per office last week. So we don't need to know how many offices. We just need to know that 60,000 packages were shipped last week, and the offices were open 6 days. So they operated for 6 days. So we could figure out the answer. The answer is obviously 10,000, but they're not asking us that. They're asking us what information do we need? We need the total number of packages shipped last week, and we need the number of days that the office was open. So what choices are that? The number of offices? No, we don't need the number of offices because they didn't ask us per office. The number of packages and the amount of electricity. No, this has nothing to do with electricity. The number of packages and the number of days opened during the week. Yeah, that's what we use. The number of packages and the number of days open during the week. The number of days open during the week and the amount of electricity. No, this had nothing to do with the electricity. So our choice is C. Problem 34. A landscaper estimates that landscaping a new park will take one person 48 hours. If 4 people work on the job and they each work 6-hour days, how many days are needed to complete the job? So you could literally, if one person takes 48 hours, how much is 4 people are going to take 1/4 as long? So 48 divided by 4 is going to be equal to 12 hours. 12 hours, right? If 4 people are each working 12 hours, that's the same thing as one person working 48 hours, assuming that you can divide the job up in that way. So these 4 people are going to take 12 hours, all working simultaneously, and they each work 6-hour days. So they're going to work a total of 12 hours, right? Because there's 4 of them, so they can take 1/4 of the time. But they can only do 6 hours per day, so it's going to take them 2 days to work their 12 hours. It's going to take 2 days to complete the job. And that's all we have on that page.